Hey there, James Payne here. In the over 40 years that I have had the privilege of creating the opportunity for freedom for citizens of this great country of ours, a lot of changes have happened in criminal law. One of the more recent is the prosecution of juveniles as adults. Used to be when a juvenile got in trouble, he went to what they call a truancy court or juvenile court, and rarely was the time that confinement, that is jail or prison, was ever a consideration. Usually it wasn't. That was the norm. That has changed. It is now a trend, certainly in North Carolina, for the state, the prosecution, to prosecute juveniles as adults for the very serious crimes such as murder. Statutory law has evolved, meaning the legislature has evolved to allow the state to prosecute juveniles and punish them as adults. Thinking of murder, for instance. If a juvenile commits a murder and is charged with the homicide, the state can take them to adult court, known as superior court. And the punishment there is the same as if the person were an adult, except for the death penalty. So, because a juvenile is underage, or 18 or less, they can't be punished as an adult. So, what that means is, however, if they have been charged for first-degree murder, just taking that for instance, the state can, other than punishing them for the death penalty, they can send them to prison for the rest of their life. For the rest of their life. The way that works is, if a person that is less than 18 years old is just charged with a murder, then the court system must transfer the adjudication, that is the way the court system handles that case, must transfer it up to superior court. That's adult court in North Carolina. Things have gotten serious. So if you have that situation, if you have a juvenile who is charged with a very serious crime, first-degree murder is the obvious choice, but there are other lesser offenses that are treated as serious crimes as well, such as certain sex offenses. That juvenile very likely, and in most cases must, have to face trial and punishment in superior court. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. 910-754-4389. I'd be more than glad to help you out. Thank you.